Greetings, the future-focused channel. Today, we're going to explore a subject that's been all the rage in the corporate world: artificial intelligence and how it affects our professional lives. Most likely, you've heard the dire predictions that AI will replace your job. Is it really that bad though? Let's investigate as a group. Imagine discovering one day that a machine has taken over your job. It sounds scary. That concern, though, is not wholly unwarranted. But let's break it down first, so don't freak out. The rise of AI. In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has advanced quickly and now permeates many sectors of the economy and our daily life. AI is already widely used in everything from voice assistants like Alexa and Siri to sophisticated algorithms that drive recommendation systems. In the commercial world, organizations are using AI to improve customer experiences, automate repetitive operations, and analyze massive volumes of data for insights. Discussions concerning AI's potential to replace human roles, particularly those involving repetitive and rule-based tasks, have been triggered by this spike in the technology's use. Automation is one important area where AI has advanced significantly. Artificial intelligence, AI systems may now effectively handle tasks that formerly required human participation, such as data input, simple consumer inquiries, and even some aspects of content production. Businesses benefit from this automation by saving time and money, as well as by lowering the possibility of error and producing results that are more reliable. AI's automation capabilities are predicted to grow as it advances, affecting a wider range of work responsibilities in a variety of industries. The ability of AI to analyze and interpret large amounts of data is another important factor in its ascent. Massive datasets can be sorted through by machine learning algorithms, which can then spot correlations, trends, and patterns that human analysts would miss. Businesses may make data-driven decisions, streamline operations, and give customers individualized experiences using this data-driven strategy. To reduce dangers and biases, responsible AI deployment is necessary, and privacy and ethical issues are also brought up by this data-centric approach. Patrick Bet-David's Insights. Patrick Bet-David's Insights. Patrick Bet-David, a prominent entrepreneur, CEO, and thought leader, has provided valuable insights into the impact of AI on the workforce. Drawing from his experience and observations, Bet-David acknowledges the disruptive potential of AI, particularly in industries heavily reliant on repetitive tasks and algorithmic decision-making. However, he emphasizes a nuanced perspective, highlighting that while AI may replace certain jobs, it also creates new opportunities and demands a shift in skill sets. Bet-David's viewpoint resonates with the idea that technological advancements, including AI, often lead to job displacement in some sectors but simultaneously pave the way for job creation in emerging fields. He advocates for a proactive approach to career readiness, encouraging individuals to upskill, reskill, and embrace lifelong learning. Moreover, Bet-David underscores the importance of human-centric skills that AI cannot replicate. While AI excels in tasks based on algorithms and data analysis, it lacks the emotional intelligence, creativity, and critical thinking inherent to human cognition. This distinction underscores the value of roles centered around empathy, innovation, problem-solving, and complex decision-making, which are less susceptible to AI encroachment. By focusing on developing these uniquely human skills alongside technical proficiencies, individuals can position themselves for success amidst the AI-driven transformation of industries. Adapting to the future. In the context of AI's growing influence, the imperative for individuals to adapt to the changing landscape of work becomes paramount. Patrick Bet-David emphasizes the concept of future-proofing careers through continuous learning and adaptability. This involves not only acquiring technical skills relevant to emerging technologies but also cultivating a mindset of agility and resilience. One of the key strategies Bet-David advocates is upskilling, the process of acquiring new skills or enhancing existing ones to remain competitive in the job market. This may involve learning programming languages, mastering data analysis tools, or gaining proficiency in areas such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation. By staying abreast of technological advancements and industry trends, individuals can position themselves for roles that leverage these skills, thereby reducing the risk of job displacement. Additionally, Bet David underscores the importance of soft skills in complementing technical expertise. Skills such as communication, collaboration, adaptability, and emotional intelligence are increasingly valued in a digital era where human interaction remains integral despite technological advancements. These soft skills not only enhance teamwork and productivity but also differentiate individuals in a competitive job market where AI cannot replicate human qualities. Overall, adapting to the future entails a holistic approach that combines technical proficiency and a proactive mindset towards lifelong learning. By embracing change, embracing new challenges, and remaining adaptable, individuals can navigate the evolving landscape of work shaped by AI and emerging technologies, ultimately carving out fulfilling and sustainable career paths. Ethical considerations in AI adoption. We delve deeper into the integration of AI into various sectors. It's crucial to address the ethical implications accompanying its widespread adoption. Patrick Bet David stresses the importance of ethical AI deployment, highlighting the need for transparency, accountability, and responsible governance frameworks. One of the primary concerns surrounding AI is bias. AI systems, trained on historical data, can inherit biases present in the data, leading to discriminatory outcomes. Bet David emphasizes the necessity of ensuring fairness and equity in AI algorithms to prevent perpetuating societal biases. This involves implementing bias detection mechanisms, diverse dataset curation, and ongoing monitoring to mitigate biases and promote inclusivity. Another ethical consideration is the impact of AI on employment dynamics. While AI-driven automation can boost efficiency and productivity, it also raises concerns about job displacement and income inequality. Bet David encourages stakeholders to proactively address these challenges by fostering retraining programs, promoting job creation in AI-related fields, and exploring policies such as universal basic income to support individuals affected by automation. Furthermore, the ethical use of AI extends to privacy and data protection. With AI systems processing vast amounts of personal data, safeguarding individual privacy becomes paramount. Bet David advocates for robust data privacy regulations, transparent data practices, and user consent frameworks to ensure data security and respect user rights. As we wrap up, remember, AI isn't here to steal our jobs, but to redefine them. By staying ahead of the curve and embracing change, we can thrive in this new era of technology. What are your thoughts on AI and its impact? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insightful content.